Hey guys, Alyssa here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a wash day routine with 3 products from my sheabassador box. And as you can see, my hair is very dry and I need a pick-me-up. So I'm going to use 3 of the items that have the most moisturizing contents to them, and I hope you guys enjoy. So first, since my hair is very dry, I'll be using the leave-in as a pre-poo. Then next, I'll be using the Hydrate and Repair shampoo. I'm so excited to try this. It's not too thick, it's the right consistency as well. And for the conditioner, I'm using the handy dandy Curl and Shine conditioner that we all know and love. So as you see, my hair is very tangled, it's very dry, it's hard to even rake my hands right through it, so I'm going to use that leave-in conditioner, and as it said on the pamphlet, you can use it as a pre-poo, so I was like, let me try it out. Yeah, I made that drop. That was a major fail, but as you see on my face, yes, I was shooketh to the core. That leave-in conditioner is amazing. It made my hair melt, the knots went away, and it made it so easy to even comb my hands through. As you can see, amazing, love it. I would always use this. This is my go-to product. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a twist, and I'm going to actually let this sit in for 10 minutes just so it can soak in my hair, and then I'm going to rinse it out. Now, when I tell you my hair was soft, my hair was soft. Y'all need to get that product like ASAP. Alright, so now time for the shampoo. I love this part for some odd reason. I don't know why, but I love shampooing my hair more than conditioning. But, again, I'm shooketh. Like, it was very moisturizing. It was like you could see the suds. It suds up really well. And as far as combing it through your hair, just watch, look. Easy. Like, I was going through my hair like it was nothing. This is like more of a conditioning kind of shampoo than anything. I love it. Top of my list as far as going back to using all the time. And as far as this brush, I wanted to try it out just on a little section, and it actually works pretty well. As you see, I mean, I've had a little struggle, but it works really well in my hair. Now the last step, conditioner. I don't know if anybody else seen those memes where somebody said when you pump more like a dime size and then other products you pump like 500 times. I do that either way. Am I the only one? Let me know, comment down below. But as far as this conditioner, it is really good. It's thick, the slip is amazing, and my hair always feels soft every time I use this conditioner. I've been using this conditioner since I started my natural journey when I transitioned, so I know how good this conditioner is. And as you can see, my curls are popping. And I also like to go in with a wide tooth comb just to make sure I didn't miss any knots. And as you can see, my hair is just easy to comb through. The comb is gliding right through with no issues. And that's what's so amazing about this product. So now that I'm finished combing my hair, I'm going to go ahead and wait 10 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse it out. Now after I rinse, my hair is super soft and manageable, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys give a big thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on that notification bell, and also follow me on my Instagram as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.